Hey friends, Allison with Cascadin. I'm going to walk you through setting up one of our newest features, which is the What's Next email. So from your homepage on Cascadin, you'll now see up at the top here you have an edit button. So if you click on this edit button, you'll now come to all of the different settings that you have control over, and you'll see that we now have one called What's Next. So if you click on this, you'll then be able to customize how frequently you want to see what is coming up that have deadlines in your Cascadin workspace. So if you want to see, every Monday morning an email that lists all the things you have for that week coming up, you can do that. If you want to see, the next 2 months, maybe you're not using Cascadin as frequently, but you've got things coming up down the road, you can do that. So as a default now for new users, you will get a What's Next email. If you're a current user with this update, it actually is off for you. So this is where you'll want to come to set it up so that you get this email now. So you can say yes or no, you want this email or not. You can decide how far in advance in the future you want. The next day, the next week, 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, and 8 weeks. You can also decide which day of the week you want it on. So maybe you want it to send Monday morning. Maybe you also want it to be sent on Thursday morning. You can pick any and all of these dates that you want to receive this What's Next email. You can include your assignments, so things that are assigned specifically to you. This is really great if you're working in a team. If you're a single user in Cascadin, you probably don't need this, so you probably want to say no, because it's going to be redundant information for the second section, which is projects and tasks, because as a single user, you probably have everything assigned to yourself. I'm just guessing. So you can include that. You can also decide how overwhelmed or not overwhelmed you want to be with the list of tasks and projects that you have coming up. So if you only want to see the first 5 things that are coming up this week in that email on Monday morning, set it to 5. If you have a really busy week and you want to see everything that you've got going on, you can list up to 50 tasks and projects in this email. So we want you to be in control of what you see and what you experience with this What's Next email. Once you have all the settings you want, click Save, and you'll start receiving that email on the date that you expect. All right, that's it for What's Next. Pretty soon we're gonna have a What Happened email, a reflection email. So that one's gonna be really great to celebrate all the things that you're doing, all the things that you're achieving, and celebrating that. All right, cheers friends.